كيفكن؟ معكم دكتور محمد وطفة. أنا كتير اشتقت لكم. مش عارف شو عم تعملوا. أنا كمان تركت بيتي، كلياتنا تركنا بيوتنا. ما تخافوا، ما في شي بخوف. نحن كتير محمسين نرجع، وأنا متأكد أنتم كمان محمسين. بدي إياكم تساعدونا كتير عشان بهالوقت كمان ندرس، بس ندرس وننبسط بنفس الوقت. برجع بقول ما في شيء بخوف، هي نحن بس عملية وقت. حنرجع على المدرسة وحنشوفكم، حتشوفونا. وكتير مشتاق لكم أنا ومس أمل كمان اللي بتعلم لكم رياضيات، بتعلم ماث. كمان مشتاقين لكم كتير، بس اليوم أنا حبيت أول بداية كمان أنا أعلمكم، وإن شاء الله بعلمكم المدرسة كمان أنا ومس أمل مع بعضنا. اتفقنا إنه نسجل كم فيديو، وبدنا إياكم تحضروا هول فيديوز انه كتير حلوين. مش بس هيك، تحضروهم لحالكم، ما بدكم لا ماما ولا بابا، ما بدكم حدا. لحالكم انتم كبار، صرتوا هلا جريد 2، ما عادش بجريد 1، طلعنا على جريد 2. هلا وقت نتعلم لحالنا. تحضروا الفيديو وبتجيبوا قلم وورقه، كلياتنا عندنا قلم ورقه. قلم مش مبين، مختفي، عم بعمل لكم ماجيك سحر. وورقه مثل هيك، انا عندي ورقه هون كمان عم بيختفي. اوكي، بس بنكتب، نحن عم ندرس، نحن عم نتعلم، نحن عم نحضر الفيديو، بنكتب على القلم والورقه، بنعمل كل شيء انا بعمله معكم او مس امل او حيلا معلمه عم تسجل لكم فيديو. اوكي، كثير محمسين. بدي اياكم تكونوا كثير محمسين. حاحكي بالانجليزي، وحاول قد ما في، اذا كلمه مش واضحه احكيها على قلة مهلي. اذا مش فهمانين شغله ما في مشكل، ما تخافوا. رجعوا احضروا الفيديو، رجعوا حلوا الاعمال. هنبعث لكم سؤال او سؤالين تحلوهم لحالكم وتفرجونا قد ايه انتم شاطرين. بدي اعطي بونس بوينت للتلميذ اللي بحل. ولما ترجعوا على المدرسه ان شاء الله بنعمل سبين ذا ويل، وبنعطيكم كثير هدايا وجوائز. اوكي، بدي اياكم كثير تكونوا محمسين. عمليه وقت وحنشوفكم بالمدرسه وحنرجع مثل ايام زمان. اوكي، يلا خلينا نبلش هذا الفيديو اللي كثير حلو. فيديو صغير، بس بدنا ندرس مع بعضنا، وبكم توعدوني انه حتحضروا للفيديو مره ومرتين وثلاثه قد ما بدكم. موجود على تليفون الماما والبابا، او على التابلت اذا عندكم تابلت او ايباد. وكمان مش بس حضرنا الفيديو، بدنا نطبق، بدنا نكتب شو انا حاعمل معكم ونحله مع بعضنا، لانه انا حاسالكم لما اشوفكم. اوكي، يلا كثير محمس، خلينا نبلش. اوكي، شايفيني هلا رجعتوا؟ هيني هون. وكمان بنفس الوقت عم تشوفوا المحاضرة او اللكشر اللي عم ببعث لكم اياه كمان. فيكم تفتحوه لحاله بلا الفيديو، وكمان ترجعوا تراجعوا كل الاسئلة اللي حنحلهم مع بعضنا. مثل ما قلت لكم اليوم انا موجود، يمكن بكرة بعدين لما الفيديو الثاني يمكن ما اكون موجود. انا ومس امل عملنا هيدا المحاضرة لكم عشان نشرح لكم what do we mean by tense. Okay, so I will be speaking in English from now on. I will take it slowly, and if you do not understand, it's okay. Make sure to watch the video again and do it with me. So I will avoid speaking in Arabic because I want you to understand everything I say in English. Okay, perfect. So today we will be talking about tens. What is tens? What do we mean by tens? So we have taught you before something called ones. So we have ones and we have tens. Ones are things we can use our fingers with. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 10. So we know how to count from 1 to 10. So 1 to 9, we call them ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we get to 10, of course, we have 0 as well, the famous 0, don't forget about it. We get to tens. When I get 10 fingers, I cannot continue anymore. I only have 10 fingers. I think you also have 10 fingers. If you have 11 fingers, tell me, it's okay. But typically, we all have 10 fingers, only 10. So if I want to count after 10, I would start using tens and ones because I don't have enough. So all these 10 fingers combined is what we call 1/10. If I have 20 fingers, like 10 fingers here and 10 down in my feet, that will be 10 and 10. So that's 2/10. Okay? So one more time. Ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We all know this. When we come to 10, we start having them all together combined. See all 10 fingers combined in one. You can see it. That's what we call 1/10. We have 1/10. I also have something cool here. So I like to eat nuts. So you could see this is one. طيب. 1, because I ate that. It's gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have all these. We can see them. All these are 10. So now we have 1/10 in my finger. All these are 1/10. If I have another 10 here in my other finger, my other hand, now I have 1/10, 1/10. We get 2/10s, which we call 20. So 1/10, 2/10, 20. 1/10, 2/10, and if I have another 10 here, 3/10s, that will be 3/10s, which is 30. Something you would know as we go on. So at the end of the day, keep my hand. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, which is 90. So we could count by tens or we could count by ones. Before, we taught you how to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these are counting by ones. When I come to tens, we could say 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? So this is how we count by 10. Let's go over and focus on what today's lecture is all about. It's about tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So we could start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? It's 10. The famous 10. 10 is so famous. Everybody uses tens, and you would use it a lot as we go on. So what do we mean by tens? What I told you. Tens, typically, this is a 1. This is 1 apple. Very nice. 2, which is 2 ones. So 1, 1, 2 ones. Basically, you have 1 apple, and the other apple comes here. That's 2 apples. What if I have a 10? Then I have 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. All these are 1/10. Okay? So we have, for example, now 3 ones. Let's talk about butterflies. I love butterflies. 1 butterfly, 2 butterfly, and 3 butterfly. This is what we call 3 ones. 3 butterflies, which are basically 3 ones. What if I have 3 tens? So 3 tens. So let's see. We have the first 10. These are 10 butterflies. 1 more. Another 10 butterflies. 1 more. Another 10 butterflies. So now we have 3 tens. Okay? Very nice. So this is 3 tens, as we said. So 3 tens. So as you could see here, we have 3 tens. So 3 tens. Okay? So 3, we put 3 here. Tens, we put 0. So now we have the word, what we call 30. 30. Like we have 3, we have 30. 3 is 3 ones. 30 is 3 tens. Okay? Very good. Let's see. Okay, so what if I have 2, 3, which are two numbers, 2, 3, which we say 23. Okay, let's see how we go. We have now 2 tens. You could see we have 2 tens and we have 3 ones. So 2 tens, 3 ones. Let's do it again. So 2, this 2, because I have 2 tens. 1 10, 1 10, that's 2 tens. And then we have this 3, meaning 3 ones. So the first one here are the tens. The second one are the ones. Okay? So we have 3 ones, which are here, and 2 tens. So a tens is a combination of 10 ones together. If you combine all 10 together, we get a 10, as you could see here in this easy example. Let's do more. Now do many, many examples, okay? Okay, so you could see we have, in this case, how many tens? Let's count them together. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens. So we have 3 tens, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. So this is what we call 34. 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, let's do more. Again, donuts. Who doesn't love donuts? Again, how many tens do we have? How many ones do we have? And what is the number? So let's count them together. We have 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens. Okay, so we put 4. And how many ones we have? Only one donut. We have one donut. So this is what we call 41. We would learn it more in the future, but for now, how many tens we have? We put it, the first number, the second number next to it will be the ones, 41. Very nice. Okay, let's do one more. How many tens do we have? Yalla, think about it on your own. If you have a pen and a paper, let's see how many tens we have. How many tens do we have? Let's think about it. We have 1 10. You see it? 1 10. I put them on top of each other so it's easy to see. How many ones do we have alone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So we have the number 15. For now, 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay? Very good. Oh, hearts. We all love each other. Let's talk about hearts. How many tens do we have? Again, we're going to count them. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 tens. We have 5 tens. We're going to put 5. Very good. How many hearts do we have alone? Not a combination of 10, only alone. You could see it. Lahalun. 1, 2, 3. These are the ones. So we put the 3. So that's a total of 53. Very good. Well done. Let's do one more. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens. Again, do it on your own on a pen or paper. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. We're going to put 3. And then 1 heart alone, lonely heart. Okay, we have 1. We're going to put the 1. So this is what we call 31. Very good. Okay, so more examples here. You could see 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Again, like before, now we have blocks on top of each other. If you play Lego, 1, 2, 3, 10 of them. So we have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 4 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alone. We have 5. So this is the number 45. Very nice. Let's do more. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. We put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alone. We put 6. So it's the number 56. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 1 10, 2 10, and 1 alone. So we're going to put the number 2 tens, we put 2, and then this is alone 1, we put the 1. So the number is 21. Very nice. Okay, one more, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, and then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 3 tens and 7 ones. So the number is 37. Very good. Okay, so ideally we have this house. Okay, we call it the place value house. In this house, every room can only have 1 digit. Again, this is what I've been talking about. So you have the ones room now on the right side, and you have the tens room on the left side, like we did many examples today. So if you want to put 2 numbers, you have to put them like this. 1 on the tens room, you put 1 number because it can have 1 digit only. On the ones room, you could put 1 number. You could have 1 digit only. So something like this. You cannot put together 21 here. This is not allowed. You cannot put like 2 and 1 here. You cannot put the 1 and 2 here. It's got to be 1 digit in the tens room and 1 digit in the ones room. This is how we will do it. So what is a 10? After all these examples, a 10 is a group of 10 small units combined. So we put them on top of each other. This is a very good example for you to see. You could see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again, if you're playing with Legos, you put them on top of each other. Every 10 of them is what we call a 10. So 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. So we use this symbol, as you could see. So this is a good way for you to visualize it. So we say 1 10, 1 T. Okay? If you have 2 tens, we say 2 T, 2 tens. Basically, this 2 10 meaning 20, 1 10 meaning 10, 3 T meaning 30. Okay? So it's very easy. All you have to do is count how many tens you have. If you have 10 of them, we say we have 1 T. We have 2 of them, 2 tens, we say 2T. We have 3 of them, we say 3T, which means 30, 40, 50, and so on. Okay? Very good. I know you're very smart. I know you already understood it, but I want to make sure you have to do it on paper and try it out and try all the practice questions that will follow. Okay? So, as we said, let's do them together here. I'm going to use a pen, and I want you to do it on paper as well. So we have 2 tens, or 2T is 20. You could see it. 1 10. This is 1 10. This is 2 tens. So it's basically, this is 2 tens, or 2T. Okay? Which is 20. Let's do 3 tens. 1 10, 2 10, and 3 10, which is 3T. As you could see, 3T, which is basically 30. T Shatrin, well done. Please do it on paper alone. 4 tens. Let's see. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, and 4 10. So if you're counting them, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens. Each one of these is a 10. 4 tens, we get 40. Okay, same thing with 50, same thing with 60. So you could see this is 50. These are 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 50. The same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why this is 60. 6 tens. Okay? So that's the idea of tens. So what can we do with tens? We could also do addition and subtraction. We can do plus and minus, like we did with 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, we said, oh, we remove one finger, we remove the second finger, we get 3. That's how we do 5 minus 2. Same thing we could do with tens. So we could do addition, like 2 plus 2 plus 2, we get 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. We add to it, we get 4. Same thing we could do with tens. So 10 plus 10, if you look at this, it's 1 10 plus 2 tens. So we said 2 tens is 20. The same thing here, 20, which is 2 tens. 2 tens. This is 2 tens plus 1 10. which is basically 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's 3 tenths. 3 tenths is basically what? 30. So as you could see, this is 2 tenths plus 1 tenth, which is basically 3 tenths. This is 3t. And this is, you could see 10, which is 1t. And this is also 1t. 1 plus 1, we all know what 1 plus 1 is. It's 2, so it's 2t. 2t meaning 20. Okay? So you can add them like this. Same thing here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Same thing here. That's how it's basically, this is 2t, which is 20. Same logic. The same thing here. 20 plus 10. So it's 210, which is 2t. 2t plus 1t, which is basically 3t. 2 tenths plus 1 tenth is 3 tenths, which is 30. So you add the tenths together and you add the ones together. 0 plus 0 is 0. So you can do it in different ways, always getting the same answer. So I want you to do it on your own, on paper, and try it out on your own. Okay? Very, very good. Let's continue. What can we do? We could also do subtraction. 20 minus 10. Let's see. So here we have, as you could see, we have 20, which is this. This is 20. 20 is 2t, 2 tenths. 2 tenths, 1 tenth and 2 tenths. Minus 10. So we're going to remove from it, take away from it. So we have, you know, these are 2, 2. Minus 1, we take away 1. We eat it, right? We take it away. So we get 1. Same thing here. 20 minus 10. So 2t minus 1t. So 2 tenths minus 1 tenth. We take away 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's 1t, which is basically 10. Okay? As you could see here, let's do it together. You could see these are 2 tenths, which is 20. This is 20. 2 tenths. We take away a 10. Let's remove a 10. Remove this because subtraction, minus, take it. We remove it. How much we have left? Only 1. 1t, which is 10. Same thing here. 30, so which is 3 tenths. Minus 2 tenths. So 3 tenths minus, we want to take away 2 of them. Each one of these long things that you see like a building, like a Lego, each one of them is a t. So we have 3 t's. We want to take away 2 t's because it's 20, which is 2t. So take away the first one, take away the second one. What do I have left? This guy, which is 1t, 1 tenth, which is basically 10, only 1 tenth. Okay? So we could do addition, very easy. All you have to do is add the tens together. So subtraction, same thing. So I subtract the 10. So 2 minus 1 is 1. As you could see, 2 minus 1 is 1. And the 10 is the 10, so 0 is 0. So you get the 10. Same thing here. 3 minus 2 is 1. And the 0 is 0, so you get the answer 10. Let me do one new one here. Not in the slide. Let's do it together. 50 or 5 tenths minus 20. Oh, I made it hard. Let's see who can do it on their own. You will be very smart if you can do it on your own. Again, don't panic. Very easy. All you have to do is take the tens together. 50 minus 20. So 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. We get 3. So we're going to put 3. And 0 minus 0 is 0 because it's a 10. So 5t minus 2t. Again, t always remains there. It's a 10. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 10. So the answer will be 310, which is 3t, which is 30. 30. Again, we could do one more. 80 minus 50. Oh, this is hard. I don't know if I know how to do it. 80 minus 50. Same thing. We put the 0 because 0 minus 0. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. We get 3. So it will be 30, which is 3t. Okay, they're the same. 3t meaning 3/10. Very good. So let me continue. Again, we could do some example. 2t plus 1t. So 20 plus 1t. So 2/10 plus 1/10 equal 3/10. So we get 30. We get 30. 3, 0. Same thing here. 4t minus 1t. So 4/10 minus 1/10. So 4 minus 1 is 3, which is 3t, which is also 30. Okay? So make sure to practice these examples again, please, on paper. Watch this video again and again and again and again until I am sure you will be the master, the best one who knows how to do this. Okay? So let's do one more example and you will have practice questions like this. Again, you can see here, we have 10 here, 10 fingers. So that's what? That's basically 1t. 10 fingers is 1/10 because it's 10. And we have one finger alone, that's 1. So we have 1, 1 and 1/10. So basically 1/10 and 1, as you could see, one big hand with 5 fingers. So it's 5, okay? So we get 1/10 and 5 ones, which is basically 15. So 1, 5. Let's do this together. Cockroaches, okay? I don't like them. Or some insects. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 1/10. 1/10. Okay? This is 2 ones. So we have 2 ones. 1/10 and 2 ones. So we have 1, 10 and 2 ones. So basically the number is 12. Okay? We have more examples like this in the worksheet. Make sure to go over them one by one. Take your time. Watch this video again. Again, of course, if you have any questions when we see you, we'll make sure to answer your questions. Okay? So very important to memorize this. Okay? Make sure to know the numbers. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 7t, 8t, 9t. So the same thing, you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We start with 10. You don't have a 1 anymore. The 1/10 is called a 10. The 2/10s is called a 20. The 3/10s is called a 30. The 4/10s is called a 40. The 5/10s is called a 50. Then 60, then 70, then 80, then 90. So these are all the 10s that we have. Okay? I hope you liked this video. I'm going to stop sharing and say goodbye. So please watch this video again and again. It could be a long video because it's the first video, but I took my time explaining every concept. Make sure to do them on your own. I love you guys, and I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.